Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Tonkeeper to Google Chrome. So the first step is to simply go to tonkeeper.com and then you're gonna have to scroll down, and as you can see here you have browsers extensions. So you're gonna have to simply click on Google Chrome and then click on add to Chrome. Then simply click on add extension. And now what you're gonna have to do is simply wait until this loads up, and then you're gonna see it in the top right corner. So if we scroll down, we can simply open Tonkeeper and we can simply create our new wallet. So as you can see, new wallet. And now we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up, and basically now we have our recovery phrase. So this is very important to make sure to save this somewhere, and basically that's all you have to do. So guys, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.